My name is Jessie, and I have been helping middle-income Canadians make better financial decisions for over 20 years. The most common question I get asked is, how do I get started? There are three things that you need to make better financial decisions. The first is complete information. Number two is honest analysis. And number three is conscious intentional action. There is a lot of information out there, and it can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just trying to get started. Here are my three easy steps for you to get started today on your path to make better financial decisions. Step number one, for 30 days, write down everything you spend money on. Now, you don't need to get fancy. Just open your cell phone to the notepad, write it down. If you are not comfortable using your cell phone, grab a small notebook, keep it in your purse. If you don't carry a purse, grab a piece of paper, 8 by 10, whatever, fold it in half, fold it in quarters, and then put it in your wallet. And literally write down everything you spend onto that paper for 30 days. It also needs to include things like your rent, your mortgage, your utilities, your property taxes, etc. If you have things that come out of your credit card or bank account automatically, make sure you write those down on the piece of paper as well. And if you use your credit card or debit card, don't just keep the receipt, write it down onto that paper. Okay. Step number two, get a second piece of paper. And this piece of paper is for you to write down what you want your money to do. So on this second piece of paper, divide it into three columns. Column number one will say security. Column number two will say happiness. Column number three will say taking care of others. In the security column, you're going to write down all the things that you want your money to do that provides you with security. In the second column, write down all the things that you want to buy that makes you happy. And in the third column, write down all the things that you want to do that involves taking care of others. And finally, the third step. At the end of the month, look at everything you wrote on that piece of paper and categorize your spending into those three columns. And then, in terms of the honest analysis and reflection, ask yourself, is your spending in alignment with what you said was important about your money? Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed with this initial process, a financial planner like me can help you.